Hello everyone. In this video I will show you step by step how to take the best but inexpensive web hosting for your website or blog, or if you are running a small business and you want to create a website for your business. So I will show you here how you can do that. I will also show you how to install WordPress so that you can easily build your website without coding and scripting. Now the web hosting that I recommend here is for the following reasons. Number 1. They are a famous brand for providing web hosting. Even WordPress is officially recommending them for web hosting. They have built a solid reputation among all the hosting providers. Their prices are very cheap compared to other hosting providers. Your website uptime will be 99.9%. They will provide you 24/7 support. They give you SSD storage, and if a web hosting provider give you SSD storage, that means your website speed will be really good. Your website will load faster per visitors. So these are some important things that you need to know before you take web hosting. Now in the description of this video I will provide you a special unique link. So by clicking on that link, so you will land here on the Bluehost website, and you will get a pre-domain name for the first year. You will get a pre-SSL certificate for your website, and I will tell you that SSL certificate is very important for the security of a website, because if you have SSL certificate enabled on your website, so it will prevent your website from hackers to steal private information from your website. So you will get the SSL certificate for the first year, and you will get web hosting at $2.95 per month, which make it around a total of $35 or $36 for the first year. So this discount, the pre-domain name and the pre-SSL certificate is for the first year only. After that you will pay the regular prices. Now to get this discount, pre-domain name and pre-SSL certificate, click on the link in the description of this video and you will land here. Now here scroll down a little, and here you will select the basic plan. So I will click on, you can see here the price is 2.95 per month. So you are getting a discount of 75%. Now you will click on select button for the basic plan. If you get any add-ons like this, so just click on skip. Now in the next step you will need to choose a domain name for your website, like your website name.com. So for demonstration I will write here something like zishanservices.com and select your desired TLD from here, but I like the .com TLD, so I will let it be .com. Then I will click on next button. So you can see Zishan Services domain name is available. In case if your domain name is not available, so you will try a different domain name to see if that is available or not. Now we will scroll down a little here, and here you will write your first name, your last name. The business name is optional. You will select here your country, street address, city, state, postal code or zip code, phone number, and then we will scroll down a little. Now here you will provide your active email address, because Bluehost will send you the confirmation email on this email address, and you will choose a password here. Now this email and password will be your login credentials for your Bluehost account. So whenever you want to log into your Bluehost cPanel account, you will use this email and the password that you choose here to log into bluehost.com. Now we will scroll down a little, and here you can see in the plan information we have a 12-month plan for which the price is $2.95 per month, and you can see you are getting the primary domain name registration for free for the first year, and you are getting the SSL certificate for free. Now we will scroll down and we will uncheck these boxes because we don't need these features. So we will uncheck it and then select on turn it off. Uncheck this also. Now we will scroll down, and here you can see the subtotal was $159 and we got a discount of $124. Now the total we need to pay is $35.40 for 1 year web hosting with a free domain name and with a free SSL certificate. Now in the payment information you can use your debit card, your credit card or your MasterCard. You will provide the information here to make the payment, or if you want to pay with PayPal, so you can select the radio button for PayPal. and then you will log into your PayPal account and you will pay from there. Now we will scroll down a little, and here make sure to check this box to accept the terms and condition, and then click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, so on the next page you will see a success message, and then you will be asked to log into your Bluehost account, and you will log in using these credentials which you provided here. So now in the next step we will install WordPress.
Now you can see here your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login button, and then right here your email address or the domain name of your website like zishanservices.com, and then type the password that you set in the previous step, and then click on the login button. Now here Bluehost will ask you some questions. So answering these questions are not important. You can skip these questions. Like here they are asking you, when it comes to building your site, how much help do you want? So you can select an option from here, or you can click on skip this step. Again they are asking you what kind of site are you creating. So you can select an option from here, or you can click on skip this step. Now they're asking you how much you are compatible with creating website. So you can select a radio button from here and then click on the continue button. Again, this is not important to answer these questions, so click on the skip this step. Again, click on skip this step. Now here you can write a name for your website, and you can provide a description for your website, but you can also do it from your WordPress dashboard, and later in this course I will teach you how to provide a name and a description for your website. So if you want, you can write a name here and you can provide a description, or you can click on skip this step. But if you provided the name and description, then click on the continue button. Now here Bluehost is asking you to pick a free or premium theme from here. But you don't need to pick a theme from here, because later in this course I will teach you in detail all about themes, installing theme, activating themes and deactivating themes. So you will scroll down and you will click on skip this step. Now here you can see great work, we are installing WordPress. So it will take few seconds for WordPress to be installed, and once WordPress is installed you will be logged into your Bluehost account. So this is your Bluehost account, and here on the right side you will see this login to WordPress button. So by clicking on this button you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. So if I click on this button, so you can see this is our WordPress dashboard. Now when you are logged into your WordPress dashboard at the first time, so there are a few important settings that we need to do, and there are some important things that we need to discuss. So we will do that in the next lecture.